My name is Jerome from justclickrecord.com. Welcome to this video on how to install GarageBand. GarageBand comes pre-installed with some versions of the Macintosh operating system, but if you haven't got it pre-installed, then you'll need to download it from the App Store. So go to your App Store, open that up, go up to your search field, and we'll type in GarageBand, see what comes up. And then we found it, so we'll open that up and have a look. Yeah, it's definitely one we want. So we'll go up and press install, get that downloading. It's quite a large file, it's about a gigabyte or just under, so you may want to go off and make yourself a coffee or do something else while you wait for it to finish. Depending on your internet speed, could take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. So once we've downloaded the app, we now need to open it. So wherever you have all your programs, go and sift through there and find the new GarageBand icon, and we'll click on there. In my case, it's in Launchpad. There it is there with the blue dot, meaning it's a new install. So we'll double click that to open up. So when you first open GarageBand, if you haven't installed it before, there'll be a welcome screen. It says welcome to GarageBand. So just click through there. Following that, there might be something else which says what's new in this version of GarageBand. Click through there. And then you'll find yourself here, which is called the Project Chooser. The Project Chooser is where you'll start all your new projects. Every time you want to start a new song, there's a range of presets that they've made for you, or you've got the chance to make yourself an empty project. Now, as far as opening those and creating songs, that'll be saved for another video. But before we finish up this one, there's just one more thing you might want to consider. That's the idea of an optional in-app purchase. Now, depending on your situation, it may already be installed. So in my case, I didn't have GarageBand on my computer, but to install it, it cost me $7 Australia. So what's that, about $5 US? But with that came this the extra loops, the extra sounds, the extra drummers. But if GarageBand was free on your Mac, then you may have less loops, less sounds, and less drummers, but you can add all of them for $5 extra. Now, absolutely, hands down, it's worth doing that. The quality of the sounds is fantastic, and the optional drummers are brilliant, and all the looping capabilities. So absolutely spend that $5. It'll give you a lot more options and a lot more things to play with. If you do want to install the extra sounds, you need to open up a project. Any project, doesn't really matter, so just double click on any one of those options. In my case, I just double click on this keyboard collection, which will open up a new song that looks like this. And then from there, if we just go up to the GarageBand menu, there'll be a drop down box. Now see there, it says Restore Sound Library. That's because I've already got the sounds installed. But if the sounds aren't installed, there'll be an option there about downloading the extra sounds. So if you just click on there, obviously you go through and make your payment of the extra $5. You just double check, yep, that's the sounds that I want, they look good. And you start downloading again. It's about, in my case, it was about 7 gig of stuff. So I just put that on for overnight and came back in the morning and it was all done. Once the installation of those extra sounds is completed, we can close off that project we started and come back to the main Project Chooser. Now from here, we can start to create songs and record our music, and we'll have some more videos about that coming up in the very near future. So please head to justclickrecord.com and view our range of other tutorials, and also sign up for our email list. See you there.